Given 4 to the power k plus 4 to the power k plus 1 equals 20. You want to find k. Let's look at the solution. We have 4 to the power k plus 4 to the power k plus 1 is equal to 20. This can be written as 4 to the power k plus 4 to the power k multiplied by 4 to the power 1 equals 20. Now we are writing this as a result of a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n, which is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. So from the equation given, we had this and we are transforming it to this. From here, the next thing to do is we can see 4 to the power k here, 4 to the power k here, which means that this can be factorized. 4 to the power k into bracket. Now what is left here is 1 plus 4 to the power k out. What is left here? 4. This is equal to 20. We can add 1 plus 4, giving us 4 to the power k multiplied by 5 is equal to 20, which is the same as 5 to bracket 4 to the power k equals 20. We divide here by 5, here by 5. From this, I have 4 to the power k is equal to, now 5 goes into 20 4 times. This is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. What can we do? Now this number, which is 4, has a power of 1. 4 to the power k can be written as 4 to the power 1, which implies that 4 to the power 1 is the same as 4. From this, you can write that our k is equal to 1. We can verify our answer to see if it is correct. Now, so we want to verify. Given k equal to 1, then we have been given 4 to the power k plus 4 to the power k plus 1. Let's see if that will give us 20. Now with k being 1, let's put 1 over here. 4 to the power 1 plus 4 to the power 1 plus 1. Let's see if we are going to get our 20. From this, 4 to the power 1 is 4, plus 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 4 to the power 2 is 16, and that is giving us 20, which implies that 20 is equal to 20. Therefore, our k is equal to 1, just like we said. See you on the next one.